Very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for API series. Okay, in the last video we saw about basic introduction and installation setup of API Playwright API folder in the Visual Studio. Okay, so we created a folder and we added the folder in the Visual Studio, so it became a project. Now let's start writing a very simple code. Right. Normally we test the four HTTP methods, right? Post, get, put, and delete. So now we are going to do a post method, that is create a resource and see how it goes. Okay. So normally in API testing, we test all the four crude operations. So first in this video we'll see about post. Okay, so normally you'll get an endpoint. In that endpoint, you'll have a base URI, you'll have a resource, and you have a parameter. And normally you get a request and a response. Request will be in JSON. So we should pass a request in post, and we should see how it's what is the responses. So we should check whether the request and the response is matching or not. That is what we do in the automation. Okay, normally in rest assured in Java we do it, but in the help of Playwright we also can test all the four crude operations. Okay, so now we are going to see write a very simple code, that is post. Okay, so normally we use this endpoint for our automation in our JS testing academy, and we also have a parent company change test automation where we have all the four endpoints, some endpoints. Now we are going to take one endpoint, that is pet store. In that we have a post endpoint, so we have a base URI. Here we have a resource and we have a sample request and the response. We are going to see add this base URI and the resource and give a request and see what is responding, and we'll do some validations also. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in this particular video. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to first create a folder. Okay, in the Playwright I'm going to create one folder here. Okay, let me create a folder called as tests. Okay, now let me in that be in the test folder, and let me create a file. Okay, for example, crude, right, dot spec. Okay, spec dot js. Okay, so let me add this crude hyphen spec dot js code, write a file, so javascript file, so that we can start writing the code. Okay, so now what I'll do is, right, I'm going to add one small simple code here, so that we are going to test a post request method with the help of Playwright, with JavaScript. Okay, so first I'm going to initialize the constant. Okay, then I'm going to initialize two things. Okay, one is test and next one is expect. Okay, so text normally has all the hooks in our Playwright runner. For example, shoot, test, right before all these hooks it has. So we are going to import the test and expect from the Playwright runner. So it comes and imports from the Playwright runner. Okay, so I'll just add require, and I will write import the Playwright runner, so that all the shoots and test is been added in our code. Okay, now I'll add Playwright test. Okay, so first I imported both test and expect from the Playwright runner. Okay, so here we added two things. Test is for the test and expect is for the assertions, that is validation. For example, we want to validate the body status code or something like that, the header, right, we can validate with the help of expect. Okay, so for that I'm adding the expect here. First let's create a shoot here. First is test. Okay, and next one is post. Okay, so post, right, uh, post test. Let me add as post test. Okay, now I will add, okay, async here the default weight which you have in the playwright. Okay, async. Okay, and I'm going to add a fixture here, playwright fixture. Normally in browser we used to add fixture like browser and page, right? So since we are going to use here, we are going to automate the API, so I'm going to add a fixture called as request. Okay, this request fixture have all the right playwright methods like get, post, put and delete, right, like body, heading, header, right, all these fixtures API will be added, will come under this request playwright fixture. Okay, so now let me add an arrow here, then I will add curly bracket here. Okay, so now one minute. Okay, so now, okay, now I've added a test here. Okay, post test. First we are going to do a post test here. Okay, now in that I'm going to add right, yeah, right, first let me add a constant for capturing the response. Let me give a reference called as res, and I will wait for the request. Okay, the request I'm going to the use is for the post, so I'm going to add post here, then I'm going to add the base URI here. So the base URI will copy from the document. Okay, and I will add here. Okay, so constant rest await request dot post, and I added the base URI here. Okay, so and the base URI we should also add the resource, right? So I'll take copy the resource also, then I will paste here. So I've added both the base URI and the resource. That makes a complete endpoint here. Okay, now I'll give comma and I'll add a curly bracket. Okay, so we are capturing the post. Okay, and right, storing it in a variable called as right, res. Okay, so I'll write request dot post and then the resource, right. Okay, now what I'll do is, right, I'm going to add the headers here first, right. Let me add a headers, so I make it comfortable by adding the headers here. Okay, so first, right, I will add the header called as content type hyphen type. Okay, and it's going to be application JSON. Okay, so I will add application slash JSON. Okay, so I've added the header here, that is content type application comma JSON here. Okay, so now what I'll do is, right, I'm going to add the request here. So that should be right, initialized as data. So I'll pass a data here. Okay, so I'm going to add the request here. So first let me I added the base URI and the resource, then I write initialize the header. The header is content type, that is JSON, application JSON, and then I'm going to pass the data here. Okay, so now I've added the request, I'm copying the request and I'm pasting the request here. Okay, so it's going to be id Okay, so data id equal to id 0, category and id name string and name Anju. So normally you get the request from the right development team, so no need to worry the request. Okay, for this is going to be right request. So if anyone needs a document, they can write ping in the comment, right, or write WhatsApp to the JS string academy official number. I can send this right this endpoints. Okay, so that you can practice. Okay, so I've added here the content, right, the application status, and right. Okay, so I've added the. Okay, now I'm going to add the first I've added the request. Now we'll do the validation part. Okay, for that I'm using the expect which we initialized early. So I'm going to use the variable, the reference variable res. I'm going to use the method called as status. Okay, for the status validation. Okay, then I'm checking that the status to be 200. Okay, so I'll make sure the status is right 200. If it is 200, it's going to pass, otherwise it's going to fail. Okay, so now let me add res. Okay, status 200. Okay, so okay, res status to be 200. Okay, okay, now uh 1 minute. Okay, res to be 200. Okay, now we'll convert the response to a JSON. For that I will add constant. Okay, next one is body equal to await. Okay, dot response, that is the variable which we added. So here what happens, right, it converts a response to a JSON with the help of JSON method. Okay, so it's going to convert the response to a JSON. It's going to be converting to an JSON now. Okay, so now the response will be captured as JSON. So let's print it. For in JavaScript, for printing statement we use console.log. Okay, first let me print the status. Okay, and for that we'll use the reference dot status. Okay, I'll use the status method, so it captures the status and it's going to print it with the help of console log. Okay, now let me capture the, first I captured the status, let me capture the response also. Okay, so I'll capture the response and it's going to be in JSON, right, and it's going to be printed. Okay, so now I'll give body, so it's going to capture the body in JSON and it's going to print it. Okay, so now we can write validate the body also with the help of expect. So normally previously we imported expect, right, for assertion. First we'll write validate the body. Okay, and we'll have validate the body as id. The id is we gave us 0, right, let's validate it. Okay, to have property that is id. Okay, first, right, it's checking whether there's any property called as id. Okay, and next is going to check whether we have any name called as Anju here. Okay, so I'm going to give name, validate the name Anju here. So I'll give copy it, body dot name Okay, and to be Anju, I'll use this method instead of to have property to be. Okay, and so whether the name has the Anju in it. Okay, so let me validate it. Let me validate the status also. Okay, body dot status to be available, since the status is available here. Okay, so let me copy it and paste it. Okay, it's going to check it as available. Okay, so now let me save it. Okay, okay, so now let me close the parenthesis. Okay, let me save it. Okay, so now, okay, so now let me save it. I'll navigate to the test folder, test. Okay, let me run the code now. Npx playwright test. Okay, so it's running from the test runner. So no test found. It's the error. Okay, 1 minute. Let me rename. Okay, now let me save it. Okay, you can see right that right tag is right, id name status available, and it's passed. Okay, so I created a post request here, and it checks id 0 and name is string and status is available. It did the validation part and it passed. Okay, so this is how we write send a post request with the help of Playwright with API with the help of JavaScript language. Okay, so here first, right, I've added right constant test expect require Playwright test. Next one is post test and async request Playwright fixture. I've added first the base URI, then the header, then the request, and then the validation part. Okay, so this is how we can add the Playwright with API, post request, right, and test do the automation. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.